Alright, I'll just I'll
Hey man, do you think I do you think I'm
You just think Yasuo.
yeah, I'll
We've
just
been
play
there for like 5 years.
I'm gonna just ban Yasuo because I can.
I'm playing Yasuo.
You sure about that?
Who this? I don't know where else. Do you want to win this game? I'm gonna lie. The last game we played, you weren't much help.
No, I know it wasn't. I panicked.
This is okay.
Oh, I might just go orange. Fuck it.
What happened the last time you went Orn?
Did I? I did I?
You got fucked.
No, I did I. But that skin was crap.
Go try it out, man.
That's splash art.
It looks so weird without the mask on. The mask comes off when he's like in loading screen. I sent you a Snapchat of it. It looks really weird.
Whoa! What the shit? Yo.
Sounds a bit off.
He looks like he can be an employee member of Watch Mojo.
Mother liar. Yeah. Aha! You missed farm.
I'm so good.
I'm sorry, but it's really annoying me. Like the 2 for your level is really out of place. Like it's not centered.
Yeah.
That's actually annoying.
It's so stupid.
It's
They
actually-
always have issues like this every time they do something new.
Riot!
You want the melee one shot to give you more gold? Do they? Yes.
Yeah.
What? What?
How long have you played this game for?
How long have you been playing this game, bro?
That would be mental. Colin, stop talking to right dog. We take up that
Right?
Fuck did you turn
Nice.
Sit down!
idea.
How did you turn that around? I looked away and you had
Oh,
like
wow.
200 less HP than it.
I came in and helped. Fuck.
Oh,
No, it's not.
fuck.
Yes.
What? Oh wait, what? Nah, wait,
Let
hang on.
me
I
have
actually
this,
got
bitch
confused
boy.
on that. What? Oh shit.
Watch out for that E there.
It's cool. I'm
me.
here.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! That's enough. You leave my lane, please.
I am leaving respectively.
Oh, I'm an idiot! Oh, I'm an idiot!
I'm
Oh,
also an
we're both
idiot.
idiots.
Oh no.
He's got 3. You don't. He's got 3. He's got 6. Eee!
Yes!
Oh,
Oh,
Ah,
no.
Flash! Flash! Flash!
I used my flash!
Oh, I'm not. Get off me.
Fuck this bitch up.
A tab when I press you. I think Jason's learning not to stand next to you.
No! Shit! Jumped into the tower.
Oh, come on! Oh, hey! GG! Fuck him up! I missed.
Oh. GG boys.
Oh, my back is so sore.
Why no infernal?
I was gonna go resistance. It's the best.
That's the OG.
Headhunter's
Pantheon jungle.
I'm against Cassiopeia. One fucking fuck.
Yes.
Oh.
Ah, shit.
Ah! Fun!
That's awesome.
fine, don't worry about it.
Yeah. Oh well.
Get back here.
I didn't think so. The power of the combo.
Tax 2.
What do you mean tax? You didn't do she walked up. He wasn't.
I don't care. I took 2 anyway. Screw you.
Let's try it again. Shit. It's alright, I'll
Nice
take it.
cross.
Take it,
It's
I'll
all
take
good.
it. It's alright, nice one. Sorry, I didn't realize you could come in so fucking fast. I was like, ah no!
Oh shit.
Should be able to come figure out of it anyway.
Take a land.
Nicely landing, bro.
Oh, she fucked up.
She fucked it!
Yay!
Yay, Lemaire.
Nice. I'm gonna go gargoyles. Actually, there's no point.
Damn, that was the wrong person to hit.
But you were just waiting a bit before we could get there.
Hmm.
Thunder.
Now you're blinking. Silencer.
Hook her. Keep her in place. Fuck her up. Taruk.
So are we though. Haha.
Fuck him up.
Oh, who killed him?
Stop.
We just need a turtle
Stop.
for a little bit.
Stop! Sam is bullying me! No!
You can have that one, bro.
Back out, John. Back out. Back out.
Not a good touch.
I don't have that or not. Just try to use it, John.
Okay, come back.
We may have just lost the game, so.
Yep.
Shush, we would. Let's go, Sam. Blame Sam.
The best thing about London was just walking around, like, using Arcadian slang, and everyone's like, what the fuck?
I'm
That's like your
Hey, mate, there's muckle people on the train, you kid?
Oh,
And everyone's
can't
like,
you
what the fuck?
Muckle Kai or whatever. I was just saying like, fucking shut up, Sam. Like on the plane on the way back, I wasn't sitting near him, but all I could hear occasionally was muckle.
he was doing that so much. I was like, I bet Craig is gonna like turn around in a second, and just look straight you in the eye.
He did look at me, he was like, fuck off.